Hi, my name is Isabel, and today I'm going to be discussing the research question, how can collaborative work lead to ambiguous workflows in Miro on the iPad? The domain I will be discussing today is computer-supported collaborative work in the application Miro. What is Miro? Miro is a collaborative working tool that allows users to both be on the app at the same time while editing videos, images, and workflows. And so I'm going to have one main task with 3 supplemental tasks. The main task is character mix and match icebreaker, and the supplemental tasks are the shadow partner screen, writing your name in pen, and highlighting work done by other individuals. So in the first task here, we're going to have a character mix and match. And so you can basically swap faces, heads, body parts, accessories, and facial hairs. And so I'm doing this task with another person on a separate iPad. We're both using the Miro app. Okay, we first have our character mix and match. And so this is just a video clip of a split screen. And so on the left side is Karina and on the right side is me, Isabel. We're both working on the iPad on the application Miro. And so we're just putting together our characters. Um, and the next task is shadowing your partner's screen. And so you can do this by selecting the icon and just watching over your partner's screen. And I'll be demonstrating this in the next video. We are doing viewing Karina's screen. And so I'm viewing hers. And so on the top right corner, you can see a one icon. And so that icon is just showing that you're viewing her screen and you're also following it. The next task is highlighting work done by other individuals. You will be able to see that you're unable to do this, and I'll be discussing as to why it's so important. And so for this one, we're trying to select each item and to see who edited each pixel. And so as you can see, there's no indication as to who is the one that changed each one. And then the next task is writing your name in pen. And so this is going to show that text comes out in sections and not in strokes. And so this is important because you should be able to see exact movements of your partner in case that there's like Wi-Fi problems or things like that. It would just be a lot helpful to see exact strokes rather than just vectors. This one is typing out the names. And so as you can see for Karina's, it was by pixel, and so you could see each movement, but for Isabel, it was by chunks. Um, and so we're hoping to move more towards by pixel rather than vectors. So that way you can do it in a very smooth way. For future direction, so this is my solution. And so by providing a secondary screen, it will allow you to monitor your partner's work through direct manipulation as well as view your own. And so this supports dual screens to help expedite the process. And so as you can see in the little red block on the right corner, it's the user A screen, and then the main block is your screen. And so this will just allow you to look at your partner's screen and just compare if there's things that you need to copy or you just want to navigate the process. In the next solution, so by highlighting or indicating work done by others, you're able to account for who edited and worked on a component of the screen. And so this will allow users to understand their own interactions and differentiate them from others. And so you can see that this is kind of like a drop-down menu, but at the top it has your name and the color that you used throughout the design process. And so this is important because without it, you wouldn't be able to see which part you worked on or which part your partner worked on, and it can get confusing and also cluttered as well. The next solution is by using pixel manipulations instead of vector. Users are able to detect exact movements of their partners, and this interaction allows them to avoid overlapping their designs. So in case one person is having issues with loading their screen, the other user is able to see exactly where they're moving, or if it doesn't load, at least you'll see a couple of the lines that they're drawing. And thank you.